Today I will try to give this picture a warm look and get the subject some limelight using Lightroom app. Here in Lightroom I'll try to make the image more interesting by using a lot of selective filters. First I will go to the light menu and do some standard tuning. As this is a raw image shot on a DSLR, we can try to recover a lot of details. So here I will increase the shadows to get details back from the darker areas. I'll also decrease the highlights. You can see some details getting back in the sky. Also I will increase the contrast a little and tune the blacks, reduce the blacks a bit for a little more contrasty look. Next I will go to the color menu. Here I will increase the vibrance and also add bit of temperature. So next I will go to the HSL sliders, that is the mix. Here I will play with the oranges, make it more reddish by dragging the slider towards red. I'll also increase the saturation a little and turn the greens more towards yellow and apply this. So next I will go to the selective edits, and here I will try to make it look like the light is coming from the left edge of the image. So I will darken the right part of the image, the right top corner. To do that I will go to the graduated filter, it is the linear filter, and drag it, and you can see the mask, the red mask where the effect will be applied. So I'll go to the light menu and decrease the exposure. I will apply one more linear filter at the bottom left corner and decrease the exposure. Now I'll apply a bunch of radial filters. First one on the subject's face to make it pop a little. So here I will increase the highlights, little exposure, not too much. Also whites. I'll also add a bit of temperature. Also texture, increase the texture a bit. I'll apply one more radial filter around here and increase the highlights, make it a little brighter, a little temperature, and one more radial filter around the right bottom edge, make it a little brighter and a little warmer. I'll also brighten the sky here by applying a radial filter and increasing the exposure. Also more temperature and little bit of tint. I'll duplicate the same radial filter and reduce the size and move it somewhere here to make it look more interesting. Just a little more tuning. So I will apply this. So you can already see the difference. Big difference before and after. Next I will apply some more contrast by going to the light menu and curves. I will darken the shadows and brighten the midtones, and a little bit of faded look. Here I am crushing the blacks a bit. So I'll apply this. So this is the final before and after. Thanks for watching.